Are you a Leo? You're because you're a type of person that you love arts. Yeah, you love arts. You love colors. Yep. Why do I have a feeling that most of the time you love being someone else? You're shy, but you love being someone else. Does this make sense? Does that make sense? You love being someone else. Why? You role play? No, you don't role play. Okay, you don't role play. Wait. You play games. Are you a Leo? You're a Leo?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so I think I'll go with this one. Leo, think of your birthday. So if you're a Leo, it's either you were born in August or July, maybe July or August. Okay, you nodded, parang nodded a little bit with sa August. Is her birthday August 2?
Yeah.
Yes! That's why you chose the number 2.